Hey everybody, it's Chris. At a new office, or been here a couple months now, but still getting used to how I'm going to do things. So I'm just holding the phone for now. Should be all right. So today's topic, quick, easy, life insurance. I think I've done one on this before, but just had a conversation with a guy I've known for several years yesterday, and really just brought to mind of life insurance, even though it's not necessarily something you have to have, is very important to get, especially when you're younger and healthy. Um, we have been talking back and forth for several years on getting something done, and well, after talking to him yesterday, it doesn't look like we're going to be able to do anything for him at all through our normal market because of health issues that have arisen. As you know, everything can be going good one day, and then the next day you have something happen and you don't qualify for life insurance you could have gotten easily the day before. So if you're healthy, definitely the time to look into it. And it's only going to get older. I'm sorry, it's only going to get more expensive as you get older too. So it's one reason to do it as soon as you possibly can. A lot of people ask, well, what are you going to have to do if you do a life policy? That depends on how much coverage you get and the type of policy. It's basically two types of policy: term and whole. Term policy is a less expensive option, but it's only good for that set amount of term, 10, 20, 30 years in Nationwide's case. Or a whole life policy is going to be the same rate forever, but you're going to pay a little bit more for it for the same amount you could get a term policy for less. The smaller face amounts, you won't do anything. They'll check your motor vehicle report and see if you're on any medications, and if you are, what. Pretty much good to go. The next level of underwriting would be looking at doctor records and things of that nature. And depending on the coverages, that's around 100,000. They'll do that, and then above 100,000 to 250,000, you'll be looking at probably a doctor's visit from Exam One or another company that we use. Just like going to get a physical, they may take a urine sample, blood sample, ask you questions, height, weight, and usually only takes 15-20 minutes. I've done it myself a couple times. So as you can see, what's needed, just the more coverage you get, the more you'll have to go through as far as underwriting. So hope that helps answer some of the general questions regarding the difference of term and whole life, what you have to do for insurance, and some reasons why it really is good to go ahead and do it if you're at all able to when you're young. Well, again, thanks, and hope to talk to you soon.